Hi, I'm Michelle Donegan. I'm here at Mobile World Congress. I'm here with Philippe Ensarguet, who is VP of Software Engineering at Orange, and Andre Vieira, who is Intelligent Operations Offer Lead at Celfocus. Hello to you both, and how are you enjoying the show so far?
Super exciting, and I would say super exhausting as well. And it's a unique opportunity to have all the industry at one place. So much time that we can spare, basically.
Yeah, I also think it's exhausting, but it's fulfilling, as Philippe was saying. We met a lot of friends, customers, and we can develop a lot of work in Mobile World Congress. It's great to see everyone here in one place.
Philippe, can you tell us a bit about what Project Silva is and what it's aiming to achieve?
Basically, we can say that Project Silva is an industrial-grade cloud-native telco stack. It's a project that has been basically kicked by telecom operator and network vendors. So the project has been started in a close and exploratory mode, I would say, for about nearly 2 years. And in November 2022, in one summit in Seattle, it has been announced as an official open source project. So we have the Linux Foundation Europe that is fully supporting the project for us. So Project Silva basically aims to support different use cases on core, on RAN and edge. Something that is super important to catch with Silva is that even if it's born in the telco industry, it's not bounded for telco industry. If you are, I would say, working in an environment with latency sensitive or bandwidth sensitive workloads, like in smart industry, like for instance in aero or space, Silva could be a perfect match. So by book, Silva is, I would say, a very modern intent-based a cloud-native environment that we have specialized to support the requirement of the telco industry. So we can run Silva on virtual environment, on bare metal. We have multi-tenancy, high level of security, the support of, I would say, dedicated hardware and dedicated acceleration card, and the support of SRIOV or DPDK for, I would say, a dedicated computation on the network side. We've got a very interesting moment because the project now has become a founded project, and initially a project kicked by 5 operators, so Telefonica, Vodafone, Telecom Italia, Deutsche Telekom and Orange, plus Nokia and Ericsson. And today, I would say the ecosystem has grown a lot, and we have a lot of new partners entering. We have hardware vendors, we have integrators like Celfocus. We have as well new network function vendors. So it's, I would say, a unique moment in time where we can foster all this energy moving toward, I would say, the new horizontal model for telco.
Project Silva has just had a major release just last week. Can you tell us why that's important for the industry?
I think it's super important, and thanks for mentioning it. So yes, it's an opportunity also to say that the project went GA in about a year. So honestly, it was quite challenging, but all the team were super committed, and we make it. So GA under, I would say, 1 year is super good. What it brings to the industry is an industrial grade cloud native telco stack that I would say you can use as a private operator, as a public operator, to fuel your modernization or new generation of network services. And for instance, we at Orange, we are using Silva to make our own Orange Telco cloud infrastructure, and basically it's Silva based that we are hardening, securing, and configuring for the specific purpose of Orange. So yes, it's super critical for us.
Andre, can you tell us what is Celfocus's involvement in Project Silva, and why is the systems integrator interested in this kind of project?
We were interested in Silva because we are looking always for innovation, and it was a project that we found to solve a baseline of the digital transformation that we wanted to apply to our customers. That was the fragmentation of the cloud. We began this participation 1 year ago, and we saw the potential that could bring. So this is the baseline as a system integrator to innovate, because our goal as a company is to help the customers on this journey. And this is the crucial piece that is needed to achieve this autonomous network vision that we have. And as a system integrator, for us, it's really good to be here. The way that we work all together, it's really good, and to share ideas. It's not normal in this industry. We are normally very close to each other, and to see that we can work together with other partners, with operators, and everyone sharing knowledge and achieving this goal as the general release, it's great, because sharing, we all evolve and we all achieve our goals. It's really good to be part of this community.
Oh, Andre, I totally agree with you. And the fact that you have Silva as an open source project is a game changing for us, because if we would have done Silva, I would say only 5 years back, it would have been a joint venture. So we will have started with regulation and legal topic. And here with Silva, we have been very concrete and straight to the point on the technology. And that's why we spent, I would say, a small year to have, the Silva release NGA. So honestly, it's a game changing to work in this open and open source ecosystem.